Welcome to LK Dinner Time. Today, I'm making a refreshing and nutritious green smoothie that's not only delicious but also packed with vitamins and minerals to energize your day. This smoothie is rich in iron, potassium, and antioxidants, making it a perfect choice for a healthy breakfast or a post-workout boost. First, I carefully selected fresh spinach leaves, ensuring they were clean and crisp. Spinach is a fantastic superfood, packed with iron and essential nutrients. After washing them thoroughly, I chopped them into smaller pieces for a smoother blend. Next, I took a ripe banana, which is a great natural sweetener full of potassium and fiber, and set it aside. I also measured out honey for added sweetness, along with coconut water, which gives the smoothie a light and refreshing tropical touch. To begin, I mixed honey with milk and poured it into the blender. Then, I added cinnamon pieces and blended until the flavor infused well into the milk. Once done, I added the chopped spinach and blended again until it was fully incorporated. Then, I gradually added banana pieces while blending continuously to achieve a thick and creamy texture. Finally, I poured in the coconut water and gave it one last blend to bring everything together. And that's it, a perfect green smoothie, creamy, flavorful, and packed with goodness. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to LK Dinner Time for more quick and delicious recipes. See you in the next video.